This here is Alex, and I am Mandy. Recently we moved aboard Blue, our 36-foot Beneteau Oceanus, and learned how to sail in the Med. We don't really know where we're gonna end up, but we do know that we want to keep going west. For now, we are heading for the Cyclades. Last week, you joined us while we went through the famous Corinth Canal. We ended up in Egina, where we anchored just outside the harbor and enjoyed a beautiful sunset. We have been sailing almost every day for the past 2 weeks now, so we decided we needed to slow down a bit and enjoy the water and the town. As soon as we had the chance, we secured ourselves a spot on the town quay so we could stretch our legs whenever we felt like it and, of course, do some people watching.
Hurry.
Alright.
You have 1 minute left.
I'm going to Athens. I'm gonna buy things.
Mandy took a day off and went to Athens with the ferry.
Nice streets. Quieter ones. The other ones were so loud and busy.
It happened.
It happened! I finally got myself that long-desired stand-up pedalboard. I tried to order it online, getting it secondhand on Facebook, went to every possible shop on the island we visited. I just didn't manage to get one. So when we were in Egina, an island close to Athens, I decided to just get on that ferry and get me one. And then we went to Poros, one of the most popular sailing destinations close to Athens. It is a proper day sail away and there's plenty of anchorages everywhere. It's a regular spot for sailing flotillas like the Yacht Week, and you can be sure to spot some super yachts along the way. We decided to stay here for a couple of days before heading off to the Cyclades. We just relaxed and tried to stay cool when a heat wave struck us. And as always, of course, get a few boat jobs done.
Also did an oil change.
Seems to be working.
And we put the oil filter in a plastic bag and we wanted to dispose it, and I put it on the teak. And of course the stupid bag was leaking, so...
It's already blazing hot and it's only 9. Today we'll take you on a random regular day on the boat. We're on anchor today in Coros, in a nice little bay. And we decided to start today off with a swim because today in the morning the water is still really clear, so we can maybe check on the anchor and have a nice swim and check out some fish. Plus it wakes you up, huh? So let's jump in too. In the beginning we did really well with our water, but we've been a bit sloppy lately. So that is why I am using the salt water method again, where I only rinse off with sweet water. A little bit more effort, but it works perfect. Done. All clean again. Alex is preparing us a nice breakfast meal. Some fresh mushrooms, some egg and toast, and doing some work. Oh, that's so much better. Oh!
Don't faint now. We have a lot of pets today, maybe because we did dishes. So once every hour a ferry comes by and brings in some swell. So if you think about how much force this engine brings into the water. And then there's us, 29 horsepower, 5 knots. Plants are doing great. Honestly, I hope they die soon while we eat them. So much stuff over here. Just kidding, love it.
If you want to spend a party week on a sailboat, consider the Yacht Week. They're famous for rafting up their 20+ boats in circles and setting up a DJ stage right in the middle.
Yacht Week here. They're lining up for a raft. Guys, what's your policy to keep your neighbors happy? What's that? Free drinks?
Finally try out my paddleboard. It's really cool. And then I decided that the boat was dirty, and I'm cleaning off the tire marks that we got in Messalongi when we were side on. Works good.
It was a long time ago, 2 weeks or something. Huh?
Yeah.
Every once in a while we have a big ship coming by. That's interesting. So here it is.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed our random day at Anchor. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and join us next week when we finally leave for the Cyclades and end up in this beautiful bay.